How to fix CashApp please try again later issue. If you are going through this please try again later error on CashApp, then the first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have the stable internet connection connected to your Android device, since a poor connection can cause errors while using CashApp. The next thing to do is to simply restart your CashApp. If CashApp is running on your device right now, simply go ahead and press the menu button and slide your app preview towards the upper side, and this will close the CashApp completely. Now, go find CashApp application in the app drawer and launch it open to restart the app. Sometimes this simple action can resolve temporary issue. The next thing you should check for is to ensure that you have the latest version of CashApp installed on your device. Simply go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and type in CashApp and check updates for your CashApp. If there is an update available, install them and then launch open CashApp to see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, you should go and tap Open Settings from your Android phone. From Settings menu, scroll down and tap Apps. Look for CashApp from the list and give it a tap. Now, in the App Info page, tap on Storage. Click on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right, and this will clear out cache data from your CashApp application. Once you clear out the cache, go back to the app drawer and launch open CashApp and see if that fixes the issue. If none of these steps works out, you should contact CashApp support. You can go ahead and reach out to the customer support for CashApp through their website or CashApp application. Simply open up a web browser and search for CashApp support in the search bar, and then pick this first link that says Contact CashApp support, and then go ahead and talk about your issue with them from the contacts that has been mentioned on this page. Those were some of the fixes you could try if you received CashApp please try again error. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another how to fix tutorial. Goodbye till then.